Tomato Tapestry. The Red Story invites viewers on a flavorful journey into the world of tomatoes, exploring their rich history, diverse varieties, culinary prowess, and the cultural impact they have had on global cuisines. The documentary begins by unraveling the botanical origins of tomatoes, tracing their roots from their native regions in South America to their introduction to European and Asian cuisines. Explore how tomatoes transformed from a curiosity to a culinary staple. Dive into the vast palette of tomato varieties, from the classic red to yellow, orange, green, and heirloom varieties. Agricultural experts and farmers guide viewers through the diverse shapes, sizes, and flavors that make each tomato cultivar unique. Take a stroll through lush tomato fields, showcasing the meticulous cultivation and harvesting processes. Farmers share their insights into the care required to grow tomatoes, from seedling to ripe fruit, in diverse climates around the world. Explore the culinary symphony of tomatoes in the kitchen. Chefs and home cooks demonstrate the versatility of tomatoes in a myriad of dishes, from sauces and soups to salads and sandwiches. Witness the magic of tomatoes in enhancing flavors and textures. Embark on a global tour of tomato-based dishes, from Italian pasta sauces to Mexican salsas. Discover how tomatoes have woven themselves into the culinary fabric of diverse cuisines, creating a rich tapestry of flavors. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of tomato festivals around the world. From tomato fights to celebrations of local tomato harvests, witness the joyous occasions dedicated to honoring this iconic fruit. Delve into the nutritional benefits of tomatoes, known for their rich antioxidant content and contributions to heart health. Nutritionists discuss the vitamins, minerals, and other compounds that make tomatoes a nutritious addition to a balanced diet. Tomato Tapestry, The Red Story, explores efforts to preserve and celebrate heirloom tomato varieties. Experts discuss the importance of maintaining biodiversity and the unique flavors and stories embedded in these heritage tomatoes. Tomato Tapestry, The Red Story concludes by celebrating the vibrant and multifaceted story of tomatoes. This documentary invites viewers to savor the richness of this culinary treasure, appreciate its cultural impact, and explore the countless ways tomatoes have become an integral part of our global gastronomic experience.